The Spice Girls and Howard Donald, 54, have led tributes to dancer Dani Hampson, who died on the morning of her wedding day. Her fiancé, X Factor star Tom Mann, announced the heartbreaking news on Monday. Dani died on Saturday, June 18, hours before the couple planned to tie the knot. She had a successful career as a dancer and became a mum to the couple's son Bowie 8 months ago. Tom's post read, "I can't believe I am writing these words, but my darling Dani, my best friend, my everything and more, the love of my life, passed away in the early hours of Saturday morning, 18th June. On what was supposed to be the happiest day of our lives ended in irreversible heartbreak. I feel like I have cried an ocean. We never made it to the altar, or got to say our vows, or dance our first dance, but I know you know that you were my entire world and the best thing that has ever happened to me, Danielle. I will wear this ring that I was always supposed to wear as a sign of my unconditional love to you." In response to Tom's post on Monday, many big names posted tributes of their own. Take That star Howard Donald revealed he had worked with the mom of one, writing, "I'm gutted beyond words that one of our dancers on Wonderland has passed away. What a beautiful and super talented dancer she was. I'm happy to say I danced with her and the UK dance world will be shocked and saddened just like I am." Ellie Goulding directed her message at Tom, writing, "Am thinking of you non-stop. You are so strong. Here for you always. Love you 4x." Meanwhile, Pussycat doll Ashley Roberts shared a tender throwback snap of our little crew and wrote, "Dani, you gorgeous human. Gone too soon. Absolutely heartbreaking. I hope you're a dancing angel. R.I.P. Spice Girl Jerry Horner shared a snap of the pair dancing on stage and wrote, "Rest in peace Dani. We love you. From all of House of Ginger." And the official account of the Spice Girls on Instagram penned, "We were very saddened to hear of the passing of Dani Hampson, who was part of the Spice World 2019 family. Sending love and strength to Tom, Bowie, and Dana's family and friends." Dani last posted on her Instagram account 3 weeks prior to her death when she shared pictures from the couple's holiday in Sardinia alongside friends. The photos from the May trip show the couple posing with their baby son and enjoying drinks by the ocean. Another of her final posts was a video showing Tom singing and playing guitar to Bowie as the couple celebrated 6 months since his birth. The cause of the dancer's death is unknown.